Today, we're going to learn simple and natural English that you can use every day in real life. You do not need difficult words, you do not need stress, you just need simple, clear speaking and daily practice. This is how you become fluent slowly and confidently. Imagine you wake up in the morning. You can say, "I just woke up. I feel fresh today is going to be a good day." Say it slowly. "I just woke up. I feel fresh today is going to be a good day." Repeat it again and again until it feels natural. Now think about your daily routine. You can say, "I am getting ready for work. I'm brushing my teeth. I'm having my breakfast." These are simple sentences, but they are used every single day in real-life English. When you go outside, you can say, "I'm going to the office. I am on my way. I will reach soon." If you are talking to a friend, you can say, "Hey, what are you doing right now? I am just working. I will call you later at work." You can use very simple sentences like, "I will finish this task. I need some time. Let me check this. I will get back to you." These are very common sentences in American English, and people use them every day. If you are in a conversation, you can say, "That sounds good. I understand what you mean. Can you explain it again? I'm not sure about this." These sentences help you communicate clearly without feeling nervous when you are relaxing. You can say, "I'm watching a movie. I'm just chilling. I'm listening to music. I need some rest today. Was a long day." This is how people speak naturally in daily life. If you are talking about past, you can say, "Yesterday was busy. I had a lot of work. I was tired, but I finished everything." This is simple and easy to understand. Now let's talk about confidence when you speak English. Do not worry about mistakes. Just speak slowly and clearly. Confidence is more important than perfection. Native speakers also make mistakes, but they keep speaking. Repeat this line. "I am learning English every day. I am improving slowly. I am getting better." This mindset will help you stay motivated and focused. Now practice short conversations. You can say, "Hi, how are you? I am good. What about you? I'm doing great. What are your plans for today? I am going to work and then I will relax." These are very basic but very useful. Remember, the key is repetition. Listen again and again. Speak again and again. Do not rush. Take your time and enjoy the process. This is how you build real fluency. You can also describe your surroundings. Say, "I am sitting in my room. It is quiet. I feel relaxed." Or, "I am outside. It is sunny and the weather's nice." These small sentences help you think in English when you order food. You can say, "I would like a coffee. Can I get a sandwich, please? Thank you." That is all simple and polite. English used in real life. Now say this slowly. "I can speak English. I'm confident I will improve every day." Keep repeating this and believe in yourself. This is your daily English practice. Keep it simple, keep it natural, and keep going. Every day, you will see improvement, and you will start speaking English without fear.